Hello YouTubers, I'm Paris and this is our 15th video in Python GUI development with Pyside2. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create a queue calendar in Pyside2. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a queue checkbox in Pyside2, and also we are going to implement signal and slot mechanism of for Pyside2. So now first I'm going to copy my window code and paste it in here. I'm going to just change the title of this to Pyside2 queue checkbox, and if you run this you will see a nice window. Okay, so we need first of all we need some imports. We need to import a queue VBox layout, also queue label and queue checkbox. First we need to create a method in here. Div create checkbox, like this. Okay, now in here first we need to create our layout, so queue VBox layout like this, and also we need to create a label, queue label, so we don't give any text, and this is this parent itself. Okay, so after this now it's time to create our checkbox, so I call it queue checkbox, and let me give the text, so I like football, and also we are going to make a toggle, so by default. Now we need to add this to our VBox, so first we are going to add our checkbox, and in the second step we are going to add our self dot label, and also we need to self dot set layout to the VBox layout. Now let me call this method in here, self dot create checkbox. Let me run it. So now you can see we have a checkbox in here. Right now there is nothing for this because we haven't attached this with the signal and a slot mechanism. So now we are going to connect the status change signal of queue checkbox to a checkbox to a slot or method. So also I'm going to just bring change to width and height, so this should be 400 by 100, like this. Okay, now we are going to create a new method in here. Let me call it div checkbox change, and let me give a state. So now if state is, also you need to import qt from Pyside2 dot qt core import qt. So if it is qt dot we don't have from Pyside2 dot qt core import qt. qt dot checked. So if a state is qt dot checked, so if this is the case, now we are going to self dot label dot set text, yes, I like football, and else cell dot label dot set text, no, I don't like football. So now we have created this. Now we need to connect this with our Q checkbox. So in here, check dot state changed dot connect, and we are going to connect this with self dot checkbox change. So now let me just run this. Okay, so by default, because it's toggle, you can see we have I like football. If I uncheck this, no, I don't like, yes, I like, no, I don't like. So like this you can create the checkbox. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know. I will add source code to the video description, and for the further videos please subscribe my channel.